12 markets, 10 digits, 1 screen. This is DigitPad, and it completely changes how you read Deriv digit trades. Here's the normal way. You open one market, you count the digits, you wait. And while you're waiting, 11 other markets just printed the exact setup you wanted. You can't watch them all. Until now. DigitPad drops every market onto one live grid. Down the side, Volatility 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100. The 1-second versions of all 5. Plus the bull and bear market indexes. Across the top, last digits, 0 through 9, then even and odd. Every cell counts how many times that digit landed in the last 100 ticks. Green is the hottest digit in that market. Red is the coldest. And red is the one you want because digit differs pays out when the next digit is anything except the one you picked. Cold digit, high probability. The signal bar keeps you honest. Around 50% is natural, 30% is not good, 70% is a strong buy. And any digit sitting under 5 gets flagged with a little arrow. That is your entry. Then there is the even-odd read. Gold for even, blue for odd, live on every single market. When one side crosses 56, the column lights up and throws an arrow. That is a streak worth riding. Now the fun part. Set your stake once at the bottom, then just tap the box. One tap fires a digit differs contract on that exact market and that exact digit. Tap even or odd, and it buys that instead. No bot builder, no blocks, no code, just tap and go. Every trade lands in the live log with the contract ID and the payout. Your balance and your profit update the second the tick settles. Green means paid. DigitPad is completely free. Log in with your Deriv account and the whole grid goes live. Head to BinaryBot.live/DigitPad and start reading every market at once.